Welcome back to another episode of Bowling God 1. As you can see, my team not quite as good. I sold the players to give you this 17 pack opening, but I assure you later on it will be better because I still have some players auctioning off. Wow, and we're getting a hardwood classic Kendrick Perkins. It's not guaranteed. It's not a guaranteed gold player. Get a Jonas Valanciunas. Okay, so not that good. Okay, we do get a Rodney Hood. He is a good card. A Mike Miller. That's a good card also. Oh, a Eddie Kyle Korver just coming today, and I wanted this card. Shaq, Yao, an AI in the Hall of Fame, so it's a good card. I wanted that one. Have another encore. Warren Bradley. 5,000 right there. Okay, who can we pull? Andre Roberts. Pull, man. Nikola Jokic. I don't know what happens. It's just like every time I'm on YouTube, I don't get an elite pull. No battery. A J Crowd. Not really a good pack opening. I wanted to bring you one. That's one that I won. I thought it was gonna be an elite player right there. Every Turner. Last pro pack. Get it back to him. Let me get his golden too. Can we get any good one? That was actually good. Can we get something out of this golden shoe?
You can hear the song?
We didn't get a good pull. We did get some. We got a Kyle Lowry. We actually got a card that I wanted, the Kyle Korver. I gotta see how much he goes for. Goes for a good 15K. We didn't get any good pulls. That makes our team 76. This big man lineup. And we have an 82 shooting lineup. Whoa, hold it there. Hold it there. And I did buy a Kyle Korver and a Ryan Anderson. But where did they come from? Just hold it right here. It's pretty good. We did get the Mike Miller. We got 85 3-pointers. So that card is good. We got a 80 Kyle Korver. That card is pretty good with 86 threes. Got a Dirk Nowitzki. 83 3-pointers. Nikola Vucevic. Guess I could have got one though. An elite player. Then just get Andre Robertson. The speed is the only thing good. So yeah, I will bring you another pack opening when these players do sell, but it won't be me opening the packs. It will be my little brother opening the packs on my channel. I don't even know. I don't have Durant to the Warriors. I don't even know how I didn't get that. I do want to open this premium pack.
OG, yeah, OG.
I do want that premium pack. When I do get it, I will tell you the outcome of the pool. That was 5. Can we get some trophy out of it? I thought we were gonna keep getting gold. Get 3 gold trophies. Does one just flip itself? I don't know, but auction sold. And if that was an elite player, this could be our chance. Three more gold trophies. Oh, this is the Westbrook who sold. So we can either improve the team, open some packs. I think I'm gonna probably improve the team. Cause we don't really have enough for one pack. So let's go with a pro pack. Let's open one more. Oh, Millsap out of that pack. Not really very good pool, but the pool was good enough to make our big man 79.
Yeah, not yet.
I had a CJ so done.
Send me if you still in it. I'm gonna use it.
Enough. Okay. So if we actually have enough left, we're gonna keep opening packs. That right there, that's an 80 big man. The defense I really like. Kind of a cheat to get 350. Oh man. That time I just couldn't get it. Okay, so we have choice. Harry, come back. Mari, come on.
Don't waste it. I told y'all to straighten this room up. Get all this paper up off the floor. Put the phone down, E.
Okay, so we're opening these packs right.
You finna eat too. You gonna eat, Mara? That's all we got. I'm telling you now.
I know, I do.
What you mean you're not ready yet?
Okay, we get to do it.
I want that damn box out the middle of the floor and the clothes off there, books up off the floor and shoes. I want the paper. All that shit up now.
Excuse my family. That was kind of a little embarrassing. A little. Why would I say a little? That was embarrassing. Yes, ma'am. some of the stuff that you can get in here with these prices is crazy. That's cute. Some people don't really respect gold players. They give them up for cheap prices.
It's good, but hot. Yeah, gotta make it like this. Oh, that I know that. Yeah,
Why put it on the phone? Excuse that. Family. I really don't have my own space right now. So I had to make this video. Excuse the background. That the Al Horford? Is that my Al Horford? Can it be? Could it be the Al Horford? It's the Al Horford, ladies and gentlemen. So, yeah, we are gonna have to get an elite. We are gonna have to get an elite. Yeah, definitely gonna have to roll. I'm definitely gonna have to go on and buy. I'm gonna continue this call real quick. I don't really know who I really Harrison Barnes, but not my two-way. I don't know. You gotta be the shooter. See if I can find the shooting or the defense. And most likely you have the shooting. Okay, so we can get a Kawhi Leonard to go to that lineup. I have no more. It looks like it's a signature series team of the week card. But yeah, that was the rebuilding of my team. Opening the packs. And unfortunately, again, I did not have any elite from this pack opening. But I hope the next one I bring you, I can pull an elite. Luckily, I will bring you another pack opening. Hopefully I can pull in the lead. And again, right from me,